Hey guys, my name is Pushpendra Saini. Once again, I came with a very interesting tutorial. In this tutorial, I am going to tell you multi-user speech recorder. Okay, in last video, I have tell you about the single user, how you can print the script, whatever he is speaking. Okay, in this tutorial, I am going to use two user at a time, and I will tell you how you can print that screen easily. So let's begin with development without wasting any time. So here, if you will see, this first of all, if you did not see in my last video on the speech recorder, then find the link into the description and go through with the complete video tutorial. Okay, in this tutorial I have take two button, user 1 and user 2, and this button for starting the speech recorder. Okay, for if I press user 1, then user 1 speech will come. If I press user 2, then user 2 speech will come. So how we can achieve this functionality? In a very simple way, I will tell you. Here if you will see user 1, I take the outlets user 1, and if you will see user 2, then I'll take the outlet of user 2. Now I will proceed with the development next process. Okay, open your view controller. From the view controller, first of all we have to set the click event for user 1 and user 2. Now over here, self dot button user 1 dot add target. Here first of all, target is self selector. Here we have to pass the function check user. Okay, and this will be dot touch up inside this one. Okay, same function I will call for button user 2. Now this is button user 2. Now I will create this function over here, and this function will be objc type. Okay, private function, name of the function, and here I'm going to pass the sender. What is the sender? Is button, UI button. Okay, now here I will check if so. From here user 1 start. Okay, and in else condition our user 2 code will come. Now this is one function which will trigger on the button click here button. Okay, here I have checked if user 1, then I'm pressing user 1 button. If user 2, then I'm changing the color of user 2. Here you can see. Okay, like that. This is the functionality. So now second task is, if this is start and I'm clicking on user 1, then user 1 message should come. If I'm clicking on user 2, then user 2 message will come. So for that, what I need to do, first of all I will take some parameter, private let is user 1, and by default I'm taking as false. Okay, when you click on start first time, then I'm changing self dot is user 1 equals true. Okay, now second thing, I have to create one array, or you can take as per your requirement. It will be where message strings, and it will be type of string. Okay, string array. Now second thing is I will take two more variable, print where I will hold my full message, which will be returned by the speech recognizer, called as full message string, and by default it is blank, and same for where single message string. Now this is also by default blank. Now second task, this will be where. Okay, now second task is from button user 1. If sender double equals button user 1, then self dot is user 1 equals true, and in else condition it will be false. Self dot is user1 double equals false. Okay, now the first thing, if I press on button, then I have to hold that string which already comes into one variable, that is called self dot single message string equals self dot full message string. Okay, after that I have to append self dot message strings dot append new item will be self dot lb speech dot text, and by default if it is null, nothing found. Okay, and before that I have to remove each and everything, self dot message strings dot remove all. Okay, now come to your speech recognition, and here this is the main string which is coming. Okay, if you will see the output here, hey, how are you? I am fine. Then this is the complete string you can see here. Okay, after that what we have to do the separation of the string on the basis of user. Okay, so how it will be, actually here some of the complex if else condition which you have to keep in mind while you are implementing this functionality. This is main thing here. Okay, so the first condition what I'm going to do, self dot full message string equals message string, whatever is coming into the message I am holding into the self full string. Now second thing, if user is user1, then here some functionality, else here some functionality we will put. Okay, if means user1 and else means user2. So here what will be the condition, I will tell you. So at the very first we have to replace, let replaced equals self dot message, we can say message dot replace occurrence. Okay, and here what will be the protocol, self dot single message string with blank. So this will be our user1. So our message will be message equals, this will be like user1, and here it is /n/n, and here it is replaced. Okay, now second thing, in second scenario also we need to do same thing, but here it will be user2. Now you will see message1 message2. Now what we have to do, we have to run a for loop. Why it is giving, it will be self. Okay, now I will create one local variable, let, sorry, it will be where final string equals, how it will be final string, first of all it is blank, for str in self dot messaging strings, and here it will be final string, sorry, this will be like that, and here final string, and this will be str. Okay, and at the end I will append self dot sorry, it will be final string equals final string, and here my message will came, that will be false, single equals false. Okay, so here I was doing mistake, it will be final string. Now again I will see the output, we will run it. Hey, hi, how are you? I am fine. What about you? So guys, it is working as expected. I hope you will like this video. If you have any doubt related to the complete video tutorial, then you can comment it to the comment box. And one more thing I would like to let you know, please do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, because on my YouTube channel you will find lots of YouTube video related to Swift development. So this is my YouTube channel. Here you will find lots of video related to Swift development, like how you can work with GPS, how you can work on location, how you can create animation in your application, how you can design a perfect view, how you can create a view which is applicable for all type of device dimension. So many things you will learn on this YouTube channel. So search for Pushpendra Saini and you will find my YouTube channel link. So click on subscribe and do not forget to click on bell icon button. Thank you so much. Have a great time. Bye bye.